Yeah, God know, people. If making you know what going, I swear. Yeah, them rob me star. Right in front of the road, in front of Kling Kling. Round on the road, they can drive girl and go Spanish Town Road. Then you know, say me a forward, I go stole up anniversary. I'm saying me I go through this, for real. For end up, for go around a Ken Cotton, you know, link up my friend them and go up on the road and I want this a two gunman star. Two gunman. But this is like some pallet on the road, them pallet thing there. And as me turn out there and break up a little bit. Some man run out with guns star, the man them jump me. Take off my jewel them and take out my laptop, my two phone them, my passport, 500 US and 38,000 Jamaican. After we have me look at money for saying go give my daughter them a foreign star, for get ISIS and Tage them, you know. So we have look at US on my knapsack. For saying go give my daughter them for the new year. But God knows star. Really, I'm a passport. But I want somebody seek from around the side of the world, from around the Tower side, you know. Cause man for travel soon right now and my passport get missing up right now, I feel hurt about it. If the man them can just keep all the money started, if them can run back on my phone, on my laptop, on my passport, I'm in the mind. Yeah man. But God knows star. As an artist, I can't move around my own country star. Yeah, the man must rob me and take with the whole of my thing them star. I just feel away. Go over stole up anniversary and comfortable. Yeah, if anybody can book up, anybody book up on my passport star, make it reach back Toddla. You understand? I really need my passport. God know. It's a bad vibes take me into the new year star. So, man them can keep the food star, just run back my passport and, you know, get back my laptop, but I'm glad because them can't go in there, a code pull it on them thing there. A code pull the laptop so them not have no use for it. You understand? So, yeah, God know that happened to me. Night before New Year, you know? Yeah man, glad how them not hurt me and take my life now, nothing but. From Mr. Gun, you don't know me, I give up everything because I don't want a man shoot me. For your phone or for your laptop or them thing making. Or for no jewel. So I just come out of my car.